So hello everyone, today I will tell you about title in HTML. How to write the title, why title tag is used, and what is a title tag. So this all I'm going to tell in this video. Let's begin our code. So first of all, you need to begin a program of HTML with HTML tag. Whenever you open this tag, you need to close this tag at the same time. Okay, see, we have closed it with a backslash. After that you need to write a head tag. Okay, whenever you write a head tag, you also need to close this tag at the same moment. Okay, we close it with backslash. See, we did this. Inside this we will go and write the title tag, title. This is our title tag. If you open it, we need to close it, title, title, with a backslash. Okay, now this is our title tag. This is our title tag. In HTML we say it title tag. Here we will write the title. Okay, I will write this is a website. Okay, I'm writing this is a website. So whatever you have typed in this, you will get this as a title in your web. Whenever you will open your web, you will get this as a title. Whatever you write here inside this to tag, inside this HTML and okay, inside this title and title close, you will get same as it is in your web. Okay, let's save this file. Save as. I'm saving this file in my desktop, web.html. You need to save your file with .html. If you didn't save this, you won't get your web. So whenever you save this file with web. You can write any name here. I have written web. You can write any name, whatever you want to write. And after that, you have to apply .html on your HTML file. Then you need to save this file. Okay. If you save this file, you will get this kind of Chrome in your desktop or wherever you have saved. You will get this kind of thing with your name you have saved. I have saved with web, then I am getting like this. Now whenever you will open this, see, this is whole is blank. Why this is whole is blank is because we have not written anything inside this. We have just written the title, and you can see here is the title at the top. This is a website. Whatever exactly we have done is on the web. Let me just show you another one. Okay, let's make changes here. Right, Amazon, Amazon. Okay, this is Amazon. I have written. Now save with Control S. You will get the changes by refreshing the website. Amazon. Okay, here is the change. Like this, you can write anything, whatever you want to write, whatever title you want to give to your site. Like I want to give site. Okay, let's see. Control S. You will save. You need to save your file. Okay, if you didn't save it, then see, I have written site. Okay, site for coding. Okay, I have written this, but I have not saved. See, I have not saved it. So what will happen? I will refresh, then nothing will happen here. No changes. Okay, you need to save. Control S, or either you can click this and save. Now see, site for coding. This is what I want to tell you about. Title is used to give a title to your web. So hope you like this video, and you will get this code in the description box. In the next one, I will tell you about heading, how the headings are used in your HTMLs and how they are displayed on your web. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this channel. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.